He was granted 15 days. At the time of being granted those 15 days, assured the court they will have completed with the investigation. And the court willingly, and after having listened to them, and after having weighed the advantages and disadvantages, granted them the 15 days. Today, the investigating officer comes and asks for another 5 days. But what mistake has he done? He has not brought to court what he's supposed to do, the findings of the initial investigations, to show the court what they have done. It is a requirement under the Criminal Procedure Code, Section 36, and the application under 49H and G. But he has not shown the court what he has done. He comes here and without any embarrassment asks you for 5 more days. Now, what these 5 more days are supposed to achieve is a report from the imaging. Where does the second respondent play a part in this? The second respondent does not do imaging, does not make reports. They're asking you that they want to get the correct details of the respondent, of the deceased. Where does the second respondent come in this issue, Your Honor? The second respondent, there is not a registrar of persons, so therefore cannot be assisting the investigating officer in this. You are being told scenes of crime. Again, the second respondent does not work with the scenes of crime. It's a police matter. Are they trying to say that the second respondent can interfere with the policeman? It cannot be true. It cannot be reasonable. They're also telling you M-Pesa records. M-Pesa records for the respondent. They have been with the respondent all these days, Your Honor. And what they needed to show you, Your Honor, an application to Safaricom or an affidavit made to ask for those details. They are not showing you that. Your Honor, it cannot be fair that people are being held for 15 days. The DCI fails to come on the day they're supposed to come, and they come on the 16th day and give you such kind of excuses. What about the rights of the accused person, of the respondents? You're being told there are other statements that they're taking of crucial witnesses, key witnesses. You're not being given the names. You're not being told who. And the respondents do not know who these people are. How then can the respondents be trying to interfere? If at all he believes that they are going to interfere, this is the new affidavit he should be bringing now to court. A new affidavit showing what they have done and what they intend to do beyond that. But be as it may, Your Honor, now that we have shown they don't need the respondents for these applications or whatever they want to investigate, do these respondents have a right for bail? And we are saying yes. Under Article 19 of the Constitution, what are we saying? These rights, fundamental rights, belong to the suspect or an accused person. They do not belong to the state. So the state cannot come today and dictate you that they want these things done. Their time is up. Let us now breathe life into the Constitution and grant this person's bail. Article 20 and 21 encompasses the court and all arms of the justice system, including the DCI. It encompasses them, such that once the court notices that these rights exist, and they do exist, what is the court supposed to do, Your Honor? To try and ensure that these rights are enjoyed by the respondents. These rights do not belong to anybody else, not any other external person. And the reasons why they are there, Your Honor, is to ensure that the state, as it is doing now, interferes with them. The state is trying to restrict this. And that is why under Article 22, 23, and 165 of the Constitution, Your Honor, we come to you and tell you we are now being frustrated. This is why now we are before you. This is now why we are objecting. And that is how, Your Honor, you can be able to assist us. Remember, Your Honor, and we are saying this humbly and very honestly. Once these people have been brought to court, they become words of the court. They become words of the court. You have now helped the prosecution. Now do help us to get our rights. The prosecution and the DCI cannot come to you and turn your court into an investigation unit. They can't come and use you for the purpose of that. Your Honor, you cannot help them with this. They have had their time. Why did they rush these people to court to hold them if they had not done the investigation? Why bring them to court in the first place? They should have investigated this matter and said these people now need to be arrested and be taken to court. But they are not telling you why they want to hold these people in custody any longer. We are saying, Your Honor, these people can be granted bond. Can they turn up? Yes. Has the DCI said that they can abscond? No. Has he said that they will interfere with witnesses? He's imagining. Because if you were to interfere with witnesses for the last 15 days that they have been in custody, or 16 days, have they made any attempt to interfere with any witnesses? That is what he should be telling me. Have they made any attempt to abscond? That is what he should be informing you. In the absence of that, Your Honor, we are saying grant us bond, because like my respondent, the second respondent in this case is a doctor, a consultant, working for the medical organizations. If we come under Article 28, can't we protect her dignity? Because that is why that article is there. Can't we protect her dignity? Her livelihood is also being interfered with. Your Honor, they cannot use the court right now to stop them from continuing with their livelihood. She's working. She's employed. She does things. She's a consultant. This is stagnating. It is stagnating, Your Honor. Your Honor, let us just be very honest and fair. Today, Your Honor, release these persons on bond. Once the prosecution, once the investigating officer, they are ready, so that we don't keep on coming here asking for days. Once they are ready and they are sure that they are ready, they can call and the persons shall appear and the matter shall go on. They have the passports of the accused person, of the respondent. She is going nowhere. Your Honor, that is what we wish to state.